Good morning, everyone. Today, I am going to continue chapter 1 with the circulatory system. So, let us start the circulatory system. Circulatory system, transporting system by which oxygen and nutrients reach the body cells and waste materials are carried away. That means there is two side of heart, one right side and one left side that carried the nutrients and oxygen of our body. Second picture observe its picture of digestive system. It in this system food passes through the continuous canal which is divided into various compartments. We can see there are lots of compartments in digestive system. Function of digestive system. Buccal cavity. We chew the food with the teeth and break down mechanically into small pieces. When we eat food, we cannot direct swallow it. We chew it, then it go to our stomach. Food pipe or esophagus. The swallowed the swallowed food passes into the food pipe. Food is pushed down by the movement of wall of the food pipe. Stomach. It receives food from the food pipe at one end and opens into a small intestine at the other. Small intestine, it receives secretion from the liver and the pancreas. The largest gland of the body, that is liver, secretes bile juice which helps in digestion of fats. Large intestine, it absorbs water and some salts from the undigested food material. The remaining waste passes into the rectum and remains there as semi-solid feces. Anus. The waste material is removed through the anus from time to time. Excretory system. Observe the picture properly. What is excretory system? The process by which the unwanted substance and metabolic wastage are eliminated from the body. Various systems in the body are involved. Digestive system excretes food residues in the form of feces. Some bacteria and toxic substance also excreted through feces. Process of urinary system. Kidney produce the urine. Ureter transports the urine to urinary bladder. Urinary bladder stores the urine until it is voided. Urine is voided from bladder through urethra. Now, I am going to give you some objective type questions. First question is choose the correct answer. You will first observe here, then you do in your textbook after you complete it in your notebook one time. Which of the following protects the heart and the lungs? Rib cage, lungs, intestine, none of these. Right answer is rib cage. Second one, which is the longest bone of our body? Backbone, thigh bone, spine, none of these. Right answer, thigh bone. What kind of joints do our backbone and wrist have? Hinge joint, pivot joint, gliding joint, none of these. Right answer is gliding joint. Which of the following helps in respiration? Kidney, lungs, liver, none of these. Lungs is the right answer. Which of the following carries urine from the kidney to the urinary? Ureterus, nervous, stomach, none of these. Right answer, ureterus. Now fill in the blanks. The, the dash provides support to our body. Right answer is skeleton. The skeleton provides support to our body. Second one, the dash joint allows movement only in one direction. Right answer, hinge joint. The hinge joint allows movement only in one direction. Third, the thigh bone is also called the dash. Right answer is femur. The thigh bone is also called the femur. Dash form the link between the venous and the arteries. Right answer is capillaries. Capillaries form the link between the venous and the arteries. Next is the liver and the pancreas help in the process of DAS. Right answer is digestion. The liver and the pancreas help in the process of digestion. Now next match the following. First is skull joint, second is pivot joint, third is cardiac, fourth is heart, fifth is small intestine. In the options are A. Movement of the head, B. Digestion, C. Immovable joint, D. Movement at regular intervals, E. Circulatory system. So we will match. We can write either number or we can do matching. Skull joints we can match with immovable joints. Pivot joints, with the help of pivot joints our head can move. Cardiac movement at regular intervals. Heart is a circulatory system. Small intestine help in the or false. First question is muscles are attached to bones with strong fibers called ligaments. So it is false. Respiration is process that helps in digestion. It's also false. The lungs, the skin, and the kidneys are the main excretory organs of our body. True. The heart pumps blood into our body. True. The digestion process begins in the mouth. True. So you will complete as all these four topics in your notebook only one time. But before completing your notebook, you first write down all the answers in your textbook. Then you write in your notebook. Thank you.